I joined HCL about 27 years back, 1989. We were a very small company, less than 200 people trying to make products and selling in the market space. The IT industry was not at all evolved, and we were trying to just get some products done. We had an opportunity to make products and sell in the Indian market, and that was our prime focus at that time. I started out in HCL as an R&D engineer in the operating systems group, and we had our own operating system called Magnum at the time. So it was very contemporary for that time, and at the same time when HP launched its multiprocessing product, and we launched our own products at that time. So my first job was to build some feature sets into this operating system and make it competitive in the market. I think the one key thing which I believe differentiates or makes HCL people different is the passion they bring to whatever they do. And we've heard customers tell us that, everybody can have buildings, they can have everything else, systems, but the people who do the work and bring the passion and their energy, I think that is very different in HCL. What HCL lived by, it was leadership built on trust. And I think that principle of building trust with people, with customer continues. Today we call it relationship beyond the contract, which is essentially about building trust and trustworthy relationships, be it with your customers, be it with your people. And I think that tenet continues to be there. We had launched a new product, and the product was not doing very well in the market. So we were on a task force of 4 or 5 people from different parts of our business, manufacturing, from R&D, from support, who were put on the field to go diagnose this product. And we were in Bombay for 2 weeks. We probably went to 13 different customers at that time, and things like BARC and companies like L&T and IIT Bombay, where they had our products, and each had its very different problem. Understanding these problems and getting that knowledge back and solving those problems was one of the most challenging assignments, I would say. And that probably at that time I was just 2 years in the company. Each time we were faced with a challenge, we could do something different about it. We took risks, okay? We did the migration from being a product company to be a services company. We added our infrastructure business, we incubated the business, brought it to scale, right? We invested in Axon. We are investing in many products with companies in understanding the products. We built one of the largest R&D businesses in our company, and it's one of the world's largest from an engineering power and center that we have here. So each time we were challenged, we brought in some new capability, took it to the next level, and made it one of the best in the world. First thing I can tell you is the company will survive. Given that today you have an average age which is about 7 or 8 years for a company to be on the Fortune 500 list of that sort, I think we will survive and we will do better and we will do bigger things. We will be a market leader in few segments. I'm sure we'll add something more new to the company, some more new dimensions. Maybe it's global, maybe it's diversity, maybe it's service lines, maybe it's something different, right? But I don't think we will stop innovating. One thing I would like to tell them is never stop learning. What you have 3 years back is not relevant today, or will not be relevant what you know 3 years from now. So don't stop learning and apply yourself, take some risks, do what you love to do.